It appears I'm here. I made a cramuntim koto. Come for the court.
I don't think
by Friday or Shesa court will hear. EC are pulled out for now until the determination of the court. What is your take on all that court issue?
One, I believe that this is a fiasem.
Okay.
Mami Kasia Bakuma Asem.
Yeah.
And I think say Yamakwain Emma Nkofo Behren Kwem.
Okay.
And I believe that should have been something that I was say Yakamwasem.
Okay.
Oh, I mean I believe say I don't believe if you are near the 12 on 10 I predicted it about 1 week ago.
Sir.
Say yenhwe no bi ayodin amfa yasem anko court we can take off him we can sumpa FM ade ani nyina ne say I say onu papa ne ma me netifis that's how NDC any papa ne ma me no netifis empanyfo na ma no ba ko miensa kopre omo wo fa akonya enti se ntokwa bi ba de kasakasa bi ba na mentiasie bi ba say betina fie
na moka
ne ka ho asem oh dem intro na ebimu wo ye party nim no aya ti say you very recalcitrant we say Dr. Dufo e trotro nsem bi say yenhwe masa ye na ne kan a nka say bi ke be pie be bi aduru
na wo sa challenges no wo ni bi
and America no say still the fiasem me my mom warning my butcher omo makasa bebre o to dem sure no enti me dem still I believe say ene party ben from Fred Dr. Dufo ono no akokot
okay
me Kojo Bonsu ni asem no kwa ha because say me deep politics that me name how to fix it and how to push it.
Who you okay with the album
there normally see baby. But still, I believe that a computer will be transferred 30 minutes. So,
what are some of the major challenges of the album?
One, I'm not even looking at the album for now.
Okay.
Oh, young Crawford, a delay will name a piece. Album, no more for my intent.
I'm saying 20th of April.
It's not true.
Oh, really?
Number, or yeah, there's a letter going around. There's a letter going. It's not true. It is not.
20th of April. No, be a kratama.
And yeah, no. Wow. Oh,
I see.
That is last week Thursday. And now you could meet in a pen drive. Tieni, in your pen drive. Now the pen drive no muno. And even the real print out to the crown. As at now, me Kojo Bonsu, me sanka mete.
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you.
72 hours to election. We need the hard copy of.
I don't have it. I have a pen drive.
And to bear wait me akotoaba.
These are some of the things. I mean, feel say.
And now you agreed, say you are only giving pen drive.
We didn't agree that way. We didn't agree that. See, there are a lot of Nyaman Kitty me feel say SSC correct. But ni pension say ni se ko jina bontin so ni akuyen tokwa yeden e wa bontin no bi ehu ni me party panyi. It I believe say sa nema we nyina no because e tena dem. Na nipa na ehwe elections so no. E say ko muti yen immediately no. Trust ni yeden.
Resolve it.
Yeah, resolve. When you ask me, Eddie, but you can't for the be assumed. Be a juma for the. Me feel say we need PPR.